Hey everyone, I've just got a super quick little video for you today just to show you this really unusual Jaboticaba tree, and it is getting ready to fruit, but I think this is almost my favorite stage where the flowers grow straight on the trunk, and it just creates this really almost like a snow effect. I just love the look of it. And this is not one of your fastest growing trees. It probably takes a good up to 8 years for it to start fruiting, but if you've got the patience, it's so worth it, because as you can see, once it fruits, you get kilos and kilos and kilos of really tasty berries that you can use for lots of things. I really enjoy making a syrup with it to put in the milkifier, and it's super yummy in cakes. You can make jam from it. It is it's really useful. So, and it looks amazing. So even if you were to only grow it as an ornamental, it's just so well worth it. So hopefully you'll consider growing on as well. And yeah, just check that out. It is just really, really cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.